My dress is like the non-Muslim. My food is like the non-Muslim. My schooling is like the non-Muslim. My appearance is like the non-Muslim. My house is exactly like the non-Muslims. My dreams and my ambitions of owning a house and taking my family on a holiday at the end of the year and driving, every ounce of my body's ambition is exactly like the non-Muslim. My name was Muhammad, I changed it to Mo. My name was Mustafa, I changed it to Steve. Every ounce of me is dripping non-Muslim. Yeah, but brother, alhamdulillah, I'm a Muslim. The Prophet says, glad tidings, hani'an, hani'an, glad tidings to the stranger. Honestly, who feels like a stranger? Who, bro? You walk into any restaurant, halal, not halal, is a yallah, kullu mashi, brother, bismillah, oh God, brother. We're deep down in our hearts. Where? Look, you know what? It's one thing when the brother says to me, listen, I have an addiction and I'm trying to deal with my addiction. Wallahi, I will appreciate it. Look, the man knows he has a problem. No, but I have an addiction and I'm in denial about my addiction and I try to use deen to justify my actions. Isn't that interesting? So you might tell me, look brother, you know, maybe the Prophet was going through hard times. On his deathbed, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He was going through sakarat al-maut, conscious, unconscious, in and out. So he lost consciousness. Aisha is there, radiallahu ta'ala anha. Then he wakes up. Then he says to Aisha, authentic narrations. He says to Aisha, imagine, Aisha was 18 years old when the Prophet died. How old was she? 18. And Allah called her and the others in the Quran, Allah called them Ummahat al-Mu'mineen, the mothers of the believers, meaning they have become haram on every man. Yani once the Prophet dies, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, no one can remarry her. 18 in a world and in a society where the man was everything. Imagine this 18-year-old is watching her husband die at the age, and she has her whole life that now she knows, I'm going to be alone. I can never remarry after him. So he wakes up from his, he was unconscious. And says to Aisha, how much money do we have? This sunnah no one talks about. Sheikh, please man, put these stories behind. Let's speak about investments and stocks. And let's speak about buying houses, brother. Because in our hearts, we believe that honor, that money will restore the honor of Islam.